I am fond of my dramas, but if the leading man changes face midway through the scene, how am I meant to believe a word of it? My granddaughter's AI videos do exactly that. Why do they fall apart?
I've been using this serum for 2 weeks now, and my skin has honestly never looked better.
The voice drifts, the face changes, the product alters, the colors wander off-band, and her brand team will not approve it. Is consistency really too much to ask AI video? So she turns to Quickads. The same character, product,
You guys, I have been using this serum.
voice, and brand, frame to frame, and across every version. One coherent performance, not several pretending to be one. Lock character, product, voice, and brand once. Generate a dozen plus variations that stay identical throughout. One character, one brand, every frame, every variation. Keep his face the same. That is how an audience believes you. Same face, the whole episode. Now that is a program I can follow.